Being a landlord is a great way to earn some extra cash. Purchase a property, rent it out, and repeat until you have enough properties providing a steady cash flow of income. It sounds simple, but the reality is, as a do-it-yourself landlord, you spend most of your time chasing down rent checks, finding what you hope are good tenants, sifting through scattered paperwork, and dealing with maintenance requests that can be, well, less than desirable. So the question becomes, how are you supposed to complete this endless list of tasks without ignoring the most important thing of all, protecting yourself? The answer is simple. TenantCloud.com. Let's face it, life is too busy and you don't have a ton of money to spend on software that isn't even designed to meet your specific needs. That's why TenantCloud makes landlording easier by giving you free rental tools that work for you so you don't have to. This means no more logging payments, no more tracking messages from tenants, and you don't have to send out late payment notifications or rent receipts because TenantCloud does it for you. What's even better is you can list your properties on over 25 rental listing websites to avoid vacancies. The online reporting section makes tax time a cinch, and if you ever get audited, all your information is stored in one convenient location. Finally, a rental management system that works for you. So stop being a paper lord and sign up for your free account today. TenantCloud.com. Rental accounting and management made easy.